Welcome to do090.com. If you are looking for a legit work-from-home opportunity where you can learn how to make money online from the comfort of your home just using your smartphone and your internet connection, then you are at the right place. I will show you everything in this video. If you're new to this platform, then log in or sign up. Then once on your dashboard, click on the Buy or More button. There you will find the link to our Task and Earn page, where you can start making money for doing simple tasks with your smartphone or PC, directly from the comfort of your home. If you are now on the Task and Earn page, and if you are a new user, then you need to join the class. In the class, you are going to learn how to use the app to start earning, and how to gain access to our Task and Earn portal. Note that you can't start earning without first of all joining the class. Just click on the Join button on the page, then read and confirm the pop-up notification as shown on the screen. Note that the training access fee will be charged from your account deposited funds. If your balance is low, you need to fund it before you can continue. After that, come back to your dashboard and reload the page, then click on the Task and Earn access fee, transaction history, and then copy the transaction ID. Then chat us up by clicking on live chat icon floating on the bottom right corner of the screen. A real human agent will chat with you and add you to the class and give you access to our Task and Earn portal. Then you can start earning for doing simple tasks on your phone or PC directly from the comfort of your home. Please like and share, follow and subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out our other videos on this page to learn how to make money or buy airtime and data via our app. Thank you for choosing do090.com.